Hi guys, today we're going to paint a watercolor face, a portrait with watercolor. So before we were doing whole figures, now we're doing portraits. You want to lay out the basic shape with your bigger brush and leave some room on the top for our flowers, because we're doing a whimsical flower crown on this portrait with using different shaped and sized flowers of vibrant colors. Pick some nice colors, and I suggest finding references online for your flowers because they have so many different references of wild and beautiful flowers online that you can use. Adding some leaves in there, smaller flowers. Have fun with that. And now I'm going into each flower and painting the petals. Darker at the base and slowly gradient out with the water, thinning out the water, thinning out the watercolor wash as you go towards the edges of the petals. The petals are more 3D this way, more shaped. You can also accent the edges if you want to blend. You can always blend and lift off the watercolor if you want to lighten some parts of it. You could always wet the paper and go in with the brush or a tissue to make something lighter. Don't forget, you can always manipulate watercolor in that way if you wanted to. So once you paint your flowers, if you wanted to, you can add shading on the neck, paint some facial features, eyelashes, lips, could leave a highlight, your cheeks, your nose, your eyebrows. You can outline the face too if you wanted to. Now we're adding some hair so that there's not too much white paper in between the flowers. It's nice to add some hair volume in there. She's becoming so cute and fun. Look at that. And you can, of course, bring your own personality into your own drawings and add different flowers, different color hair and skin, and whatever else you wanted to add. But this is the basic idea of a fun spring watercolor flower face. You can always go back in and add some outlines to the petals to emphasize certain details you want. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try it yourself. And that's it. Thank you so much.